If you want to set up the alarm clock on OPPO Reno 15, all you have to do is you need to go to the app drawer, and then over here in the app drawer we need to find the clock app. Now once you open the clock app, you should be able to find some example clocks that are pre-made for you, and of course you can use them quite easily. You can just simply tap on that switcher to turn it off or turn it on. As you can see, if you try to turn off a recurring alarm, you can skip just for tomorrow, or you can completely turn it off. You can tap on the alarm in order to customize it, so you can adjust when the alarm should go off. You can also choose if it should ring just once or during weekdays, and so on and so forth. And also we have some additional customization options here at the bottom, like the choice of the ringtone, the vibration settings, and so on and so forth. And once you are done with the alarm, just tap on a done in the upper right corner. Besides that, you can of course use this plus at the bottom of the screen in order to create your own alarm quite easily. You can choose when it should go off, and you can also see when it will go off and what time. And that is pretty much it. And just like before, tap on done, and that's all. And also, if you press and hold your finger, you should be able to select an alarm, and you can delete it in case you don't need it anymore. And of course you can select multiple alarms at once to delete, let's say, all of them. Leave a like and subscribe.